Hola, ¿qué tal? Muy buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, donde quiera que se encuentren. Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. Any place you guys are located at the moment you guys are watching this video, or you are watching this video, have a good day, blessed day, and have a really wonderful rest of your week, or at least rest of the day. Today, somebody asked me about one-shot instruction, add instruction, and the subtract instruction. Hola, hoy vamos a hacer un videito. Alguien me pidió más o menos explicar o mostrar cómo trabaja el one-shot, ONS, el add, que es la de sumar, y el SUB o el sub, que es de restar, ¿ok? Sin más por el momento, pues vamos a empezar. Y como siempre, allí tienen, suscríbanse, denle like, suscríbanse, denle la campanita. Y as you guys know, as always, subscribe. If you like the video, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, enable the bell, okay? That way you get any updates every time I make a video, and then also you can support my channel that way. Ok, suscríbanse para que me ayuden, me apoyen aquí en el canal. Y pues espero se suscriban. Si les gusta el video, suscríbanse. Si no les gusta el video, suscríbanse, déjenme un comentario, no se preocupen. ¿Sale? Entonces lo primero que vamos a hacer, the very first thing we're going to do is going to add a wrong. Vamos a añadir una línea. Let me be clear here. We are already using the program or the code I was using before when we did the timers and the counters up and down. Okay, we can use the add instructions almost kind of the same way. Okay, podemos utilizar las instrucciones casi de la misma manera. Okay, we can use the up and down instructions as going to be the add and subtract. Okay, they're totally different, but they can be used. Son unas instrucciones totalmente diferentes, se pueden utilizar casi de la misma manera, ¿ok? Sin más, vamos a empezar. Ok, ya tenemos un timer aquí que nos cuenta y nos está dando una instrucción del damn bit, ok. We already have an instruction that is already working, and we get the damn bit from it, okay. Let's see, let's use the damn bit to trigger data, okay. Tago bit, I'm sorry, tago bit, I wanted to copy. Yo lo quería copiar, le di lo que no es, ok, lo vamos a pegar aquí. Primero vamos a ver cómo funciona. El timer ya estaba hecho, estoy utilizando el damn bit. Lo que vamos a hacer, demostrar primero la instrucción de sumar, ok, la instrucción add. The very first thing we're going to try is show how the add instruction works, ok, without the one shot, sin tener un shot en ello, ok. Ok, source, vamos a decir, let's say that source, let's make a new tag, let's call the new tag source A. Source A. Let's make that one dint. It can be real, it can be dint. Okay. Now let's make the other one. Let's call that one source B. Vamos a hacer otra etiqueta a la cual le vamos a poner por nombre fuente o source B. Okay. Y va a ser un dint. Let's make a dint. Okay. Destination. Let's say we want to keep it let's make a label called destination. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, new destination. Let's make a new label. Hacemos la nueva etiqueta que se llama destino. Ahí está. Okay. No va a pasar nada. Nothing is going to happen because we are not adding anything, right? Source A. Let's add to source A and source B. Let's say we got 2 plus 2. When this one became true, we're supposed to get 4, right? That's simple. That is adding as normally we do. Esto es lo simple. Así como todo el tiempo nosotros sumamos, le damos 2 más 2 y se acabó. Pero ¿qué pasa, digamos, si queremos hacer un contador y queremos que nos sume cada vez que una parte pasa por, let's say, un sensor, o si alguien apachurra un botón, un push button. Let's say we want to add how many times a part goes by a sensor, okay? Or somebody pushes the push button. How we do that? Okay, simple. Let's say it's only one part, okay? Source B is going to be the adding, and instead of destination, we move source there, and every time the damn bit becomes true, it's going to be adding 1. Okay? Cada vez va a ser 1. Cada vez que aquí estamos sumando por 1. Cada vez que el damn bit se hace verdadero, nos suma y nos da 1. La siguiente vez que este termine, nos va a dar 9, 10, 11 y ahí continuamente seguirá. Ok. Ahora, aquí no necesitamos el one shot, porque digamos, es el damn bit que viene del timer. Solo se activa una vez y listo. Okay, back here we don't need the one shot because the timer is giving me one shot. It's happening only once, right? Let's see what will happen if we put a regular, let's say we got a push button. I don't have a push button with me right now, but let's make a dummy bit here. Okay, dummy bit. Let's take that one. Okay, we're using a dummy bit. Let's zero them out. 0. What you guys are going to think will happen when I tago this one? ¿Qué creen que es lo que va a pasar cuando yo le haga el tago bit? Vamos a decir, ese es un switch. Yo no soy tan rápido para prenderlo y apagarlo como lo hace el timer o lo hace el programa. Veamos qué sucede. Let's see what happens when I tago that one. I just toggled that one momentarily, okay? And it got active 3,000 times. More than 3,000 times. Se puso verdadero por más de 3,000 veces. 3,000 ciclos. 3,000 ciclos que pasa el PLC, ok? Vamos a tratarlo igual. Let's try it again. Vamos a tratarlo una vez más. This time looks like I was slower. Esta vez parece ser que yo fui demasiado lento. ¿Sale? Aquí es cuando un shot nos viene de maravilla. Here is when we can use one shot. Since I'm really slow, let's say you have a mechanical switch that doesn't respond right away. It's slow, you know, it closes the circuit. It's going to be giving you the false counting. Okay, let's add the one shot. Let's call this one shot. Add. Let's make a new tag. It's going to be a bool. It's a boolean. Hacemos la etiqueta nueva. ¿Sale? Y va a ser un booleano. Ahora veamos. Vamos a darle a 0. Let's make it 0. Okay. Okie dokie. Now let's see what happened when I toggle this one. Having one shot. You guys notice that? One shot only turns. The one shot only allows one shot, as the name says, one shot. It's one time, and it's it. When it has to change states again, that way it can be reset, that way it can enable the counting. Tiene que ser, es un one shot, como lo dice el nombre, solo sucede una vez, mientras el bit anterior sea verdadero. Tiene que cambiar estado. Si no cambia estado, no pasa, ¿ok? Entonces, así es como trabaja el one shot. That is how the one shot works. Let's see one more time. toggle bit, and toggle bit. It only happened once, right? Exactly the same way it's going to be for the last, the subtract instruction. La de sustraer trabaja de la misma manera. Ok, vamos a bajar este. Let's get it down. Let's change it here from add to less, subtract. Okay, let's start this one by 100. Oops, sorry. Oops, I typed it wrong. Let's fix that. Okay, let's change it to source. Okay, now I got fixed. Sorry, I make a mistake. Like always, I need glasses. Let's say source. Let's put an S the subtract. Okay, let's make a new one here. Exactly the same way. Then we're going to be making new tags. Vamos a hacer nuevas etiquetas. Van a ser los dints. Ok, nueva etiqueta. Let's make new tags. Okay, since we want this one to subtract, let's start this one with by 1. Okay, let's subtract 1, and let's start this one with 100. Let's use the damn bit. Vamos a usar el damn bit. Empezamos con 100. Ok, let's paste it, send it, lo vamos a enviar. Vamos a ver qué pasa. De igual manera, the same thing as before. Okay, with the add instruction, the subtract instruction, every time we get one shot here or one done, it takes 1 from the count. Now let's say you want to change it. Instead of subtract to add, just put -1. Like in any regular math, it's going to be working exactly the same way. It goes up. Why? Because it's this minus, okay? Y pues eso es todo. Así es como trabaja el add, one shot, subtract. That is how they work. Okay. Questions, comments, just let me know. And I hope you guys we have learned something today. Okay, I hope it works. This is simple. Then we can use the one shot too if we want. Okay. Oopsie. Let's use the one shot. Let's make one. We gotta make a new one. You cannot reuse. Well, let me rephrase that. Yes, you can reuse, but you don't have to reuse it. You gotta make a new tag. For one shots, vamos a usar una etiqueta nueva, hacer una etiqueta nueva todo el tiempo, para no cometer el error de que por algún otro lado se habilite y nos cuente mal, ¿ok? Y aquí vamos. There it goes. Now, let's see what happened if I toggle this one. See, every time I toggle, it goes down 1, right? Let's see, every time I toggle this one, goes up. And that is all. That is how it works. Questions, comments, let me know. Espero les haya gustado, espero les guste, y eso es todo por hoy, mi gente hermosa. Tengan un excelente y formidable día. That's all for today, my people. I hope you guys like it. You know what to do. Back there. Sorry, and the wrong finger, the pointing to the wrong direction. Okay, you know what to do. Subscribe. Help me out subscribing. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice and wonderful day.